Hello friends, I hope you're doing well and feeling healthy. This is a free plugin from Analog Obsession that has a function named XFORMER. This XFORMER increases the audio capabilities of this compressor. What do I mean? I mean you can have different character and textures when you are using this compressor versus normal bus compressors. You may have seen this style compressors on plugins like SSL bus compressor or Waves SSLG comp, but this one is free and from Analog Obsession. So let's check this XFORMER guy and see what it has to offer us. It is rounder and have a little more bass to offer. And one of the important parts is the sub bass is more distinct. So this is an advantage because we try really hard to have distinct audio materials in the mix, plus keeping them related together with a great correlation. So this guy here is a great simulation, is a great plugin, because that function that I have turned on and we listen to its audio quality is a real savior. Another audio quality that I heard is enhanced and expanded stereo image. So this sub bass is stereo and it has a lot of details in the side. With XFORMER on, we lose excessive body and we have a balanced bass sound. So it knows what is it doing and it's doing it right. I like these creative plugins that add different tools that you may not see in normal ones. Of course, you can find whatever tools you need, free or paid, and you might not need everything in one plugin. But it is a creative way, and one of the advantages of using several tools in one place, one plugin, is that the colors match. This compressor's color will match with this control area, and the characters will support each other, will not work against each other. And the sidechain is feature rich. You can make compressor sensitive on a specific area. You can cut some frequencies or high pass some frequencies so the compressor doesn't react or doesn't compress those ranges. For example, you may leave sub bass intact so the compressor only focuses on higher frequencies and starts compressing from bass. So that's it. I just wanted to show you what an amazing function and tool it is and nothing more. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe and follow for more.